Hey guys, it's Pupsel, aka Sylvester, and this is a review of my BMX. It's custom. I got to do whatever I want. It's got some nice grips, nice wheels, and I spray painted green. Nice chrome poly frame. Now, if there are stickers that say mongoose, please ignore that because they're not actually an actual mongoose. I just wanted to do that for fun. Please don't hate. I just did it for fun. It's got a proper gyro, two pegs at the back, and that's it. It's got rack strap pedals, and I'm going to take it for a spin. Now the pedals came from 1983. Yes, they are metal pedals, aka rack strap pedals. Now the reason why I got these because plastic pedals suck. Well, they really don't. But I like the 80s. Rack strap pedals are really good.